You guys are going to go to app.bookcreator.com. You're going to join my library using this code, 5SLBBDP. And when you do that, you're going to click down on these books on the bottom left and select Copy Book. Once you copy the book, you're going to fill in your first and last name, your science teacher in period, and your math teacher in period. And then you will click on the book, go to page 2, and you're going to do journal entry 1, where you're going to use your measurements from science class, and you're going to draw out all the shapes that make your house. You're going to use the formula and find the area of each shape. And at the end, you're going to add all of your areas to get the total surface area of your house, and you're going to place that here. Area is centimeters squared. So make sure you have the correct units. You could do this part in Notability if it's easier to draw the shapes and maneuver things in Notability, and then you could screenshot that and put it into Book Creator.